So if you were to ask my mom when she thought I was interested in science, it would probably when I was around 4 or 5, because she would tell me that every other word out of my mouth would be why. And I would always be like, why this, why that? And I vividly remember being at the pediatrician's office and she thought something was wrong. She said, my daughter keeps on asking why. She just doesn't stop. And the pediatrician said to her, she's just a curious kid. And after that, my mom got me a microscope. I remember it was a red microscope. It had some pre-made slides of various things, whether it was hair, a bug, a piece of grass. And she said I would sit with that microscope for hours. So I think if you would ask my mom, it was probably at that point. But when I think back to my career, really it happened in high school because I was a basketball player. It may not seem that way because I'm not very tall, but I had a really good three-point shot. And I tore my ACL. And I remember being extremely depressed, not knowing what that meant, not knowing what type of medical care I would need. And after speaking to several orthopedic surgeons and learning a little bit more about the human body, I became extremely intrigued in terms of trying to understand the intricacies, or why do certain diseases develop, how do we heal? And that's really what triggered me to be like, okay, I think I want to major in something in the sciences when I go to college.